Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss about John Langshaw Austin. Introduction. John Langshaw Austin, born in 1911 in Lancaster, England, stands as a significant figure in 20th century philosophy. Educated at Oxford University, he held prestigious positions including Fellow of All Souls College between 1933 to 35 and Magdalen College 1935 to 52. In 1952, he was elected to the White's Professor of Moral Philosophy chair at Oxford, a position he held until his untimely death in 1960. Despite writing and publishing relatively little, Austin's name became synonymous with a philosophical approach that emphasized meticulous attention to ordinary language use, often referred to as Oxford philosophy. Contributions to philosophy. Austin's philosophical approach centered on the precise and careful analysis of ordinary language. He believed that philosophy should extend beyond traditional academic lecturing and writing, advocating for an active and cooperative endeavor. For Austin, philosophical inquiry was a joint undertaking best accomplished through collaborative discussions with definitive goals. This emphasis on cooperative inquiry set him apart from many of his contemporaries. Teaching and personal traits. Austin was renowned for his rigorous and sometimes intimidating demeanor, which earned him both respect and criticism. His approach to philosophy was often dismissed by notable figures like Bertrand Russell and A.J. Ayer, who saw his work as trivial or excessively focused on linguistic details. Despite this, Austin's dedication to teaching and his belief in the collaborative nature of philosophical work left a profound impact on his students and colleagues. Breadth of interest and work. Contrary to the criticisms of triviality, Austin's work displayed a remarkable breadth of interest. His writings and lectures were populated with references to literature, science, law, and philosophy. Early in his career, he made significant studies of Leibniz's philosophy and Greek philosophy, particularly Aristotle's ethical works and Plato's Republic. He also translated Frege's Foundations of Arithmetic, further showcasing his diverse intellectual pursuits. Methodology. Austin's methodological approach, often referred to as linguistic phenomenology, was systematic and empirical. His method included several steps. Number 1. Choose an area of discourse. Number 2. Collect the complete vocabulary of this area. Number 3. Provide examples of use and misuse. Number 4. Give general accounts of the expressions. Number 5. Compare with philosophical accounts. Number 6. Examine traditional arguments. Number 7. Revisit the initial discourse area. This process emphasized the empirical nature of philosophical inquiry and required the efforts of many, ideally a team working closely together. Austin's approach was less about creating a theory of explanation and more about providing a non-dogmatic method of discovery. Key works and ideas. One of Austin's most notable works is his 1946 article, Other Minds, which exemplifies his meticulous approach to philosophical problems. His exploration of performative utterances, how saying something entails doing something, led to the influential question, can saying make it so? This concept illustrated how language and action are intertwined, emphasizing the importance of context and the total speech act situation. Legacy and influence. Austin's influence extended beyond his lifetime through his students, such as J. O. Urmson, who continued to develop and explain his methods. Posthumous publications like Sense and Sensibilia 1962 and How to Do Things with Words 1981 further disseminated his ideas. Despite ongoing debates about the significance of his work, Austin's focus on ordinary language and his empirical, cooperative approach to philosophy remain influential. Conclusion: John Langshaw Austin's contributions to philosophy highlight the importance of ordinary language and the collaborative nature of philosophical inquiry. While his work faced criticism, the clarity, rigor, and cooperative spirit he brought to the study of language and philosophy left a lasting legacy. Austin's method continued to inspire and challenge philosophers, underscoring the enduring relevance of his approach to understanding language and human interaction. So this was the discussion on John Langshaw Austin. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.